Good afternoon. So, mag-repack ta guys. So, na itong pamalakas ang pink plan. Pink plan. So guys, repack ko na ito siya guys. Kaya wak mo siya ma-repack. So, ako mag-repack. Toner. So, Frederick soap. Whitening night cream. And sunlock. Hindi siyang kuan guys. Bago sa packaging sa kuan. Sa pink lang. Pero dati guys, light yung packaging. Ganito po yung ganito po yung dati guys. Ganito po yung dati guys. Ngayon kaya ano na. Iba na. Ganito na. Bago. So, pangalawa na tayo. Dito na tayo sa pangatlo guys. Nila ako nang guys kaya nagamit mo ko guys. Bago pa ko nagamit guys kaya nakotdan. So, mubalik ko siya paknit. Nagpaknit siya guys. Para kayong snake nito. Snake!
Looking fabulous today, girls. Hello, Ginu. You are so beautiful. I missed you.
I love you so much, Rumi.
Oh no, he's in love with Rumi. What's that? A love letter? That ballerina
Pang-apat.
Ginu a letter. Look at this, girls. Look at her. She is so ugly. Ginu would never date her.
So,
Disgusting. I'm so ugly.
skincare,
But if I look like Rumi,
night cream, and sunblock.
if I kidnap her, it's bad. I can see her face.
Pang-apat.
And then I'll kidnap Rumi.
Pang-lima. Last guys.
What? Now you are mine. No. Here's some coffee for you, ballerina cappuccino. What is happening to me? What have you done?
How is this even possible?
I am the real Rumi, and I will marry you, Ginu. Leave me alone.
So, may limang available na Pink Bloom skincare sa face.
I didn't know.
So,
What is that?
ano pa yung hindi nyo? Bili na.
Let's go, Derpy.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget comment, like, and share. Thank you.